ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का फर्स्ट सेक्शन, फर्स्ट वीडियो ये आपके सामने है। इसमें सबसे पहले एक जो टॉपिक शुरू होता है, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट एंगल्स इनटू रेडियंस एंड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट अ रेडियन इनटू एंगल. For example, generally angles are written with the degree. For example, we have 45 degree and we have to convert it into radian. So in order to convert 45 degree into radian, we multiply it pi by 180. In order to convert angle which is in degrees into radian, we multiply it with pi by 180. Now when we cancel, we get 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. That means we get pi by 4. Now the next thing, how will you convert radian into angles? For example, it is given that 2 pi by 3, for example. Then how will we convert it into angle? As in order to convert into radian, we multiply with pi by 180. So here we multiply with 180 by pi. That means 2 pi by 3 into 180 by pi. So it is get cancelled. 3 6 are 18 and we get 120 with a degree sign. So in this way, we convert angles into radians and radians into angles. A lot of questions you can practice now. Now there are some more little bit topics which can you come across and may get confused. For example, we have to convert minus 270 degree into radians. Then how will you do that? Don't be confused with the minus sign. Simply solve as it is 270 into pi by 180 along with the minus sign. Now when we solve 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27 and our answer become minus 3 pi by 2. So simple. So don't be confused that I have minus sign over here. Is there the answer is same or it is little bit different. Now the next one. For example, the angle is given along with the degree and with the minute in this way. For example, minus 22 degree 30 minutes. Now we know we have 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So in this way, we just apply that thing over here, minus 22 degree plus convert this minute into 60 into degrees. So we divide over here with 60. Okay. When we convert, this is one arrow means minute. For example, we have 22 degree, 30 minute and 25 double second. So if it is one arrow, it means minute. For example, 25 double arrow, it means second. Okay. Now we have 30 minutes. So in order to convert it into degree, we divide it by 60. Now we solve it. It is get cancelled 1 by 2, which is equal to 22 plus 0.5. It becomes minus 22.5 degree. Now we solve it as I told you earlier in the same way. For example, we have minus 22.5 degree. We convert into radian. How will we convert it into radian? That means 22.5 along with minus sign pi by 180. Now solve it. It becomes 0. That is 225 into pi by 180. Now cancel. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2 is 6. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. And we get 5 pi by 4 along with this minus sign. Okay. So if the angles are given along with the minutes and seconds, we convert them in this way. Now there are some more patterns. For example, we have angles which are given in radians and we have to convert it degree. I will told you earlier, but I am just revising here in order to explain some more things. Now it is given that the angle is given in the radian and we have to convert the angles into degree. So as we know, in order to convert from radian to degree, we multiply it 180 by pi. So what we get, pi by 4 into 180 by pi. So pi and pi get cancelled. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. We get 45 degree. But now see this case. It is given over here 5 by 6. And according to question, it is given that it is in radians. That means there is no pi etc. And we have to convert it into degree. How will we convert these types of questions? So if we have to convert it into degree, okay, we simply use the same thing. 5 by 6 into 180 by pi. Okay, don't bother about these things because in these types of question, pi easily get cancelled. But here we don't have pi, so pi cannot be cancelled. Then how will we solve these questions? So we solve 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 30. That means 150 over pi. Okay, now watch the blackboard over here. 150 over pi. What does it mean? 150 over 22 upon 7. Because the value of pi is 22 upon 7. So 7 goes upward over 22. Now we have to solve 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10 and 11. Now multiply it. 7 fives are 35, 3, 7 sevens are 49, 50, 51, 52. 525 by 11. Now we divide it. It is not comes over here. ये अभी यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हुआ है. अभी इसमें कई स्टेप है. We have lot of steps over here. Now we divide 525 with 11. 11 fours are 44. We have 85. 11 sevens are 77. 8.0. 11 sevens are 77. 30. 11 twos are 22. Then again 8. Then 7. So in this way, we got 47.727 degree. But this is not the proper answer because after point it is 72 and minutes must be less than 60 degree. So be careful here. If these values are less than 60 degree, then it is okay. But these values are greater than 60 degree. So what we do? We do next step. We have 47 degree. This is correct one. 47 degree. But 0.727 we convert further. Angle in minute. Because after degree we get minute. 0.727 into 60. 0, 6 sevens are 42, 6 twos are 12 and 16, 6 sevens are 42, 43. Now here we get, 43. This is point after 3 digits. Now again we get 62 over here. It is greater than 60. That means we get 47 degree. Wait a minute, I am writing over here. We get 47 degree. Then what is over here? 43. 43 minute. Now it is 62. That means there are seconds also. Then we multiply this one. Angle in seconds. 0.62 into 60. 0. 6 2s are 12, 6 6 are 36, 137. Okay. After 2 digit, this is 37. Okay. Now it is 2 less than 6. So we leave it as 37 seconds. So this is the proper answer and we convert this is